ailerons.
Mayday, mayday. Get up. Climb and climb and climb until you get balance. Cover. Okay, don't panic. Get mental right now. You're good. You're really, really good. It just stalled. I wonder what happened. Oh. Bummer. Hopefully the motor's still good.
Yeah, that doesn't look probably all that good. Let's bring it back, boys. I'm hoping the motor is still like okay.
What is it bound on though? Why isn't it turning? It's wedged on that.
It's on there,
okay.
but I'm hoping I'll have to take that off.
It's just with these things, it seems like it'd be so fragile.
I know.
Is it hot?
You know what? I'm so thankful. Thanks for carrying this, dude. I'm so thankful that this looks like this and no one's hurt. Oh my dear.
What's unplugged? Never plugged it in.
Well, no, you know what? It crashed, so I'll never know because it came off on when the wing popped off.
But you tested it. It was working. I saw it on the ground.
That's weird. Oh well.
This
Yes.
doesn't look too good.
These ailerons, literally, once I took off, they were not working at all. There was no turning the plane. So I was controlling it with the rudder, but it's just not the same.
No.
You know, I mean, it works, but
It's sad.
unfortunately, when I was trying to bring it to land, and as soon as I turned the stall on this, it's such a heavy plane that as soon as you dip it and you don't have enough lift, it just falls out of the sky. So.